Hey everyone, it's good to see you again. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. This is the last day of my 5 days of festival makeup look series, and I had to honor Caribana, Caribbean Festival, Carnival. I had to do it on the last day. I just had to, and put together this look for you guys. So if you're interested in how I got it, we're gonna be mostly focusing on the eyes and like the gems, but I'll put the details down below for you guys in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before getting started, and let's jump right into it. Okay, so I'm thinking for this Caribana look, I want to go pink, purple, lots of glitters. We're gonna be using the Pure Festival palette. I got this one in a BoxyCharm, I think like 2 years ago, and I'm just gonna use Wild Child right here. Ooh, girl. So Caribana is basically canceled this year because of the pandemic, which, you know, I understand, but I feel it's such a tradition for so many people, including myself. I remember going every single year with my mom, with my sisters, and then my brothers, and then we just started, you know, going alone. Well, not going alone, but like going with our friends and stuff once we got older, and we'd meet up with our cousins, eat. I mean, we wouldn't dance just because we weren't those kind of kids to just like break out in a dance. My mom used to ask if we wanted to play mask, and if you don't know, mask is like masqueraders, everyone in costume and the beautiful costumes. I thought they were so pretty, and I don't know, in my head I could be a masquerader, but not like in real life, if that makes sense. I've always been like really shy and really just like to myself, and me and my siblings never wanted to do it. It's just a great time. If you have not been to Caribana, especially in Toronto, it's definitely a thing. It makes the entire summer. It's like you have to take the day off. For me, even like when I stopped going, when I started to work, I would book off those days, and I wouldn't go, but I would still book off those days because I felt like it was like a holiday, and like I needed the day off. I don't know. It's a thing. I'm gonna cut the crease. I'm using the opportunity to practice my cut creases. So we're gonna do a cut crease. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade, I think this is, yeah, medium. I'm gonna use medium because I feel like this is just the best shade for me to cut the crease with. I'm going to use the Jackie Aina and ABH collaboration palette. This palette, if you don't have it, you need it. It's so pigmented. I'm going to be using Big Wig to go right over that. It's looking like that. I'm just using the other side of that brush to pack on this color. I'm just dragging that purple outwards so we can have a little bit of gradient. I am gonna put some pink back into it. I'm gonna use a nice small blending brush from e.l.f. and just go back into that same Wild Child pink look just to blend this area out. And just go over this right here and really drag that out. This glitter came to the party early, like I'm not even ready for glitters yet. So I'm gonna use this shade called Gypsy. It's not as dark as it is in the pan. It swatches like really light, and when you apply it, it's so pretty. It's kind of like an iridescent purple when you apply it over. And go right over. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Okay, so next what I did was take the shade Psychedelic and just place it over into the inner corner and flicked it out towards the center, but not too close and not too full. So as you can see, it's like a little bit of like a gradient, and it reminds me of a butterfly. So I feel like this look can be like a majestic butterfly kind of costume for Caribana. I'm not surprised if they already had that costume. Okay, so this is how we're looking right now. I will put the details to everything that I have on my face down in the description. So I got these like gems from Amazon and they kind of match my look. So we're just gonna pop them on. I'm just gonna plop these. Hopefully it's centered. Oh, this goes so well. I love this. Okay, hopefully that sticks on. These just go underneath the eyes over here. Is that how it was? I'm gonna curve mine to go with the eyeshadow. Oh, that is adorable. I like this. This is giving, all we need is a costume, the road, some music, and millions of people. I feel like I need like glitter all over my face because we're gonna put some glitter. Hang on. I don't have like actual glitter, but I'm just going to use this e.l.f. palette. I'm just gonna dust this like glitter pretty much over my face using this brush here. Like my family Bana tradition. Wake up early on the Saturday. We clean basically the night before or the day of, blast soca music. Like it's blasting. We prep our waters, our mom would have juices and stuff like that. It was just such a vibe. Go see if my mom likes the Caribana look. I'll be right back. So guys, this completes the look. What are we thinking? How are we feeling about it? This is giving me such Caribana vibes. I love the pinks. I love this lip. I didn't think I would, but I actually really like it. I used the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Club Hopper along with Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Santorini, and it's just like this really pretty glittery fuchsia shade, and I think it really ties in well with the eye look. But yeah guys, this completes my 5 days of festival makeup looks. Let me know what else you would like to see. I had fun doing this. This is probably my favorite look, hands down. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, so you do not miss out on any more of my looks. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!